Hello, Mr. Carter. It's Paul here. So here are your new planks up here. We are trying to get them to match this color down here. Perhaps the right stain was not used on your boat when it was done. I'm not sure. There's been some activity called what we call overstaining that's been done. You can see right here where some gasoline came down here and actually ruined. I don't know what that is. Anyway, some gasoline actually ran down here, and you can see this light spot down here where the finish had been removed. And then, and what I'm doing is I'm just kind of telling you what we got to do if we and what we'll take care of if you decide to have us do the maintenance coats of varnish. You've got some. So all this light stuff right here is where varnish was washed away from your, and perhaps stain was washed away from your wood by gasoline. So we have a cure for that. We put a bass boat plug in this, which is your gas tank vent. We put a bass boat plug in there during transport, and then when you're getting ready to launch, we pull our bass boat plug out, and we might get a little dribble of gasoline, which we wash off with water right there at the boat ramp. But you'll also notice up here, an area that the grain is obscured by stain. You'll also notice, and of course that's up right next to the adjoining plank, which one would wonder if maybe that was the problem. But then you see the problem right here. The grain has been obscured right here by stain, and you see it again right under the Holiday. See if I can do it without. I may have to come around here and do it from the back side. So that process is called overstain. And of course, we got a pretty good sized run right here that we've got to sand out, and I don't know if you can see that or not. At any rate, so those are some of the issues we've got. We got stop and start marks, so the varnish is pretty rough down here, but we can improve the appearance of it a lot with maintenance coats. Ideally, a strip and refinish would be the way to go, but that's awfully expensive compared to maintenance coats. So, and then this side, I'll go down this side just a little ways, and then I'll back out and go around the back to show you some more. But at any rate, I'm going to send you a price on doing the maintenance coats for your boat, and send you a price on that shortly. And we might even try just a little bit of overstain in the maintenance coats. Not so much that we take a chance of obscuring the grain, but just to try to get all the colors to blend. And you see the same thing on this side going on. You got a little light spot here, light spot here. I'm guessing that the varnish had failed at one time, and somebody has done maintenance coats is what they've done. And a substantial dent right there. I thought maybe that was a run, but it's a dent. Anyway, we've got a lot of work we got to do. So this one's not going to be an easy task. So anyway, I'll send along the estimate for what it's going to take, and I also am going to send. I know you want to sell this, so we've got some recommended pricing, and so I will send you along the recommended pricing work that we've done, and so you can see why we're recommending the price that we are, and you should hear from me real soon. Thank you.